Hello, kittens. Yay, more litter box usage. Hey, Trillian. I'm going to check on the kittens, see how they're doing after their shots today. Any residue, pain, discomfort should have faded by now. The other three are up here. Excuse me, Mom, so I can sit down. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Ah. Blink. Much better. How you doing, Trillian? You feeling okay? Any discomforts? They all had a shot in their right leg, or yeah, right front leg, and a left hind leg. Hey, pretty. They all had flea meds given on the back of their head here, so if you see any spikiness, that's it. There's no fleas, but everybody gets treated. And Mama was treated for tapeworm. There was a berry sighting. That's what viewers have named a tapeworm. Any tapeworm is berry. You're liking that, aren't you? You're such a sweet lady. Yes, you are. Alice is only 1 year and 3 months old. They're probably still going to be pretty tired. I'm thinking I could still move this over a little bit, because I remember being able to lie down this way, and I really can't right now. Hi, Trillian. You smell something? I'll tell you what, boy. That smell's called Harley. Remember. Gail is still asleep. This is Emily's paw hanging down. Can I get a purr? They just meow. I mean, Gail just meow. Leave me alone. Adjusting my light. I still have the light bars on to help make the girl's hair a little bit more visible. And I adjusted the brightness on the cam. Everybody had shots today and blood work. They all tested negative for FIV and leukemia. FIV, FIP, I think that's FIP. V, I mean, V. Emily's head's hanging down. Are you playing with the blanket? How do we do the fence tomorrow? Arthur is kind of a mix of a short hair and a long hair. He's got short hairs, and all that white fuzz you see on him are long hairs. Now, they may be what's called guard hairs, and he may shed them. That definitely gives him a unique look if he does keep them. I'm going to try to get the first batch of pictures posted tonight. I'm going to try to spread them out a little bit, kind of like how Shelly does, but not just one at a time, like about 8 a day, 4 to 8. Ow, 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 ow. You still need to be trimmed. Arthur did not get trimmed today because the techs were momentarily distracted. He was being checked out, and there was another set of fosters getting picked up from their spay and neuter day. So he's still sharp. He did get his meds and everything else done, though. She's still tired. The shots take their energy a little bit, makes them tired. Hello, Gail. Gail's purring. Oh, I'm getting some belly action. Let's try Emily. Nope, she's not having it. No purrs for me. Alice here is always purring. Enjoy the kittens. Have a nice night. Going out, Coog?